Excuse me, I have a flight to London. Could you please help me with the check-in process?
Of course. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Here they are.
Thank you. Could you also place your luggage on the scale, please?
Sure.
Great. Your luggage meets the weight requirements. Here's your boarding pass. Your flight departs from gate B10. Have a pleasant journey.
Thank you.
Good morning. Please have your boarding pass and ID ready. Thank you. Please place your bags on the conveyor belt and walk through the metal detector. All clear. You can collect your belongings. Have a nice trip.
Thank you. Excuse me, is this the gate for flight BA 456 to London?
Yes, it is. Boarding will begin in approximately 15 minutes.
Great, thank you.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please? Thank you. Your seat is 23A. It's located by the window on the right side of the aircraft.
Perfect, thank you. Excuse me, could I have a blanket and a pillow, please?
Of course. Let me get those for you.
Thank you so much. Excuse me, where can I find the baggage claim area?
The baggage claim area is located on the lower level. Follow the signs, and you'll find it easily.
Thank you for your help.